Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling developer mode on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Enabling dev mode on Windows 11 unlocks a new set of options. Here is how to do it. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select For Developers. The first option here is to enable developer mode. You will need to confirm your choice when you first enable it. Now you have done that, you will be able to adjust the settings below. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.